to my channel. My name is Envee Emoni if you're new here, and hello if you're a returning viewer. Welcome to day 8 of Vlogtember. Today's vlog, well, not really a vlog, but today's video is just going to be a mini H&M haul because I took 2 trips to H&M and I realized, well, I have a good amount of stuff that I should show. So here we are. I don't know why I didn't focus, but here we are. And yeah, without further ado, let's get started. Or maybe I should go this way. Either way, let's get started. Okay, so the first thing I picked up was just this basic, well, it's not too basic, but just this tee that says B and this weird kind of scratchy glittery, and then it says be good to yourself, inspire others. So I thought that was pretty cute, you know. I'll probably wear this on Friday to my internship, you know. It's pretty cute, you know. So yeah, got that. Next thing I picked up was just this kind of like a sweatshirt type of thing, but it has a white collar attached and it has a really nice detailed pearl for the button on the back. I just picked up this basic black bandeau top type of situation. Like, it's a basic black bandeau situation, you know. Basically, like I said, a basic. You could, you know, of course, layer. I just got a bright idea. Okay, but yeah, you could layer this, you know. Fall's coming, you can wear this under something, under a blazer, under anything really, just so you're not like just out there. But you know, if it were still the summer, you could of course wear this alone. I don't prefer, but the next 2 things I got were blazers, and they were on clearance, really great steals. The first one is $8.99 and it was regularly $49.99, so of course that's a great steal. You know, it's just this wheat color, creamy type of thing, you know. And I like the sleeves a lot because it's like a quarter sleeve, it's not too long, you know. So I think great for the fall, not too cold, not too hot. Then the next one I got was this yellow one that reminds me of Easter Sunday for some reason, but you know, it just reminds me of the spring. But I got it for $13.99 as opposed to $49.99, so also very great steal for a blazer. You know, I'm used to paying $40 on ASOS for a blazer, so not even $15 for a blazer. Great steal. Just this basic kind of like, I don't know if you would call it a racer ribbed tank, but it reminds me of the Skims by Kim Kardashian top that I just bought. So I was like, dupe, question mark. But yeah, I really liked it because it was pretty cheap and really nice. I mean, You can also wear it layered or just with some shorts in the summer on a nice hot day, you know, that just depends on what you prefer, like I said. And lastly, I just picked up these two belts, which were also on clearance. This one was 50-cent still. Like, I don't own any belts. I own one black beat up belt, so I figured it was time for a new one. This one reminds me of like horseback riding, equestrian, really like southern country type of belt. And this one is just a double hoop gold belt, and I really needed these. It's really not common that I wear a belt unless my shirt's tucked in, or unless of course the pants run a little big in the waist. But I'm definitely just gonna wear these for style more so than the actual purpose, like to tie a blazer around, you know, or, you know, to tie your trench coat around, tie your pea coat around, you know, just to tie anything together. I feel like a nice detailed belt would work. So yeah, that's all I got from H&M. Thanks for watching, and like, comment, subscribe. Come back tomorrow for day 9 of Vlogtember. And yeah.